Okay, so this is the training video for UFL. There's a handout you need to find. So go find the handout, and your objective is to create a short slideshow video about you. I created a sample storyboard. Yours does not have to match this. This is just an example. You can have more pictures than I show here. And the idea, though, is that you keep in mind this creative goal while you're creating this. We're going to use video transitions between each picture, and you're going to also have commercial free or not copyright free music with a fade out at the end. And you're going to export this as an MP4, an H.264 format. Will give you a UFL.mp4. I know it says commercial free here. I mean non-copyright or copyright free music. Same stuff you've been using for the other videos. All right, so we need to go ahead and create a folder in your documents folder. So we'll go here to Finder, go to Documents, and we're going to create a new folder. I like going here to that view and right click New Folder, and that's UFL. And you want to go to room 31, which pretend this is room 31, and you want to go you want to go into your UFL folder as well, right, in your documents, so it's open so you could drag pictures in. You want to go to the first day of school pics and go ahead and drag in your picture. If you don't have one, that's okay. Just skip it. Maybe find a picture you took early in the year from Photo Booth. I know some of you have been using Photo Booth, so you can use Photo Booth pictures too. All right, and then you want to go to week 8 pics and drag those pictures in, or that picture in. And thanks, Omar, by the way. I'm making use of your pictures. And we want to go to week 25 and drag that picture in. All right. So when all is said and done, you should have at least a couple of pictures of you that you've taken in class and stuff that you've also taken on your photo booth. And then any other pictures that you might have off your phone. And you also want to get pictures off the internet, pictures that are things you like. So my son and I like baseball, so I got a picture of baseball. Favorite food, I really like noodle soup, so here's some noodle soup. And also I like to swim, so I found a picture of me swimming. What you're looking to do, of course, is you would go to Google and you would search for an image of something that you like. So I also like to surf, so put that in, go to images, and you want to get the larger image. This looks more my speed here, and so you want to go ahead and save image as, and you want to put that image, you want to save that image in your UFL folder, right? So we've got it all in the same place, so go ahead and save that. And I go to my UFL folder. Oops, sorry. So there it is, right there. It's already in my video, or sorry, UFL folder. So in my UFL folder, in other words, I've got all the images I'm going to need for this project. Okay, and again, they are images that you've taken in this class. Okay? All right, I got to hustle through this video now because we're already 5 minutes in, and that was just the intro. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and go into Premiere Pro. (2018) new project. I'm going to call it UFL. I'm going to browse to my documents, UFL folder, and choose that folder. And I'm going to click OK. I'm then going to go up here to File, New, Sequence. And I'm going to make sure I'm going to that same choice that I've been using all along, right? ARRI 1080p, and then the one that says 2997. And for my sequence name, I'm going to call it UFL as well. All right, click OK. And now I'm ready to create this video. So I'm going to go Project tab there. I'm going to go File, Import. I'm going to go to my UFL folder, and I'm going to carefully grab everything except make sure you don't try to import your project file. That will confuse the heck out of Premiere Pro. So just get the images. Just get the images. Import those in. Okay. And they will come in at 5 seconds. Default time of 5 seconds. That's okay. There's a way to change those by using speed and duration. You could change how long they show, but the default is 5. Also, if we look at our storyboard, I want you to use your first logo FL or your intro FL video that you just made. So I'm going to actually use that. So I need to import that. So let's see if I have it here. It says Word, so I got to go back here to Premiere Pro. So I'm going to go File, Import, and I'm going to go to Documents, and I'm going to find my intro FL .mp4, and I'm going to import it. Okay, so that's a video, not an image, and it's also 5 seconds long. All right, so now I'm going to start building my project. So I'm going to start with my intro FL or my sorry, I'm thinking of something. Intro FL or my first logo, and then I'm going to keep paying attention to my storyboard here, right? So then I'm going to get a first picture of me, then a couple of my Google pics, then a second picture of me, then a couple of my Google pics, and then a third picture of me, and then the end. Okay, that'll be the end of it for me. Maybe one more picture. All right, so let me do that. I gotta really hustle now. I'm running out of time. So, I should still show you a few things. Looks like I think this was the first picture. So I'll put that there. Okay. And you could see what that's going to look like. Looks real big. I'll show you what to do with that in just a second. Then I'm going to get a couple of pictures about me. So I'm going to get my, let's see, the food I like. And I'm going to get a sport I like. Then I'm going to get another picture. This would be week 8 picture. And then some more pictures of things that I like to do. Right? And then maybe my last picture, which was the one we just took. And again, you can mix these pictures in the way you want. I just want these pictures to be about you and to show you throughout the year. Okay? And then I need to make a title, so I got to go to File, New, File, come on now, File, New, Legacy Title. Click OK. And I got to put the scrubber at the end, so I got a black screen so I can see what I'm doing. Click the text, click once, put the end, use the selection tool, maybe make that a little bigger. If I wanted to roll, I would click roll, start off screen, end off screen, click OK. You can have it static as well, it doesn't have to roll, but if you want it, that's how you do it. Hit the red X, put that title at the very end, and the one thing that I want to point out is that these pictures are either too big or too small. So what we could do is, using the selection tool, I'm just going to come off here, I'm going to click, drag just the pictures, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to scale to frame size. Okay? And now all the pictures fit. Some of them might look a little pixelated. The ones, here's another trick, the ones that are not rotated, the ones that need to be rotated, flipped, I'm going to click on that. Here's another new thing. I'm going to click out, and then I'm going to click on that one picture. Okay, make sure you zoom in and zoom out so that you can really see each picture. And we are running out of time. I gotta hurry here. Looks like we're gonna have to do 2 parts on this video. I'm gonna click on the picture. I'm gonna go up here to Effect Controls. I'm gonna go to Rotation, okay, and I'm going to rotate. I want to rotate counterclockwise 90 degrees. So I'm gonna put in -90 there, and that will rotate the image. Okay, and I got to do that on any other picture that I've got that same issue. Click on it, click on the picture, so it's just the picture selected, Effect Controls, right? Let's click on the Effect Controls. Come on. Oh. Make sure picture's picked. Go to the rotation and a -90. Okay. And I can also, on the position, the second one is the Y value, the height, the up and down, and you can click, it's a scrubby tool, so you can click and drag it to drag it down a little bit so that you can see if anything gets chopped off, right? Same thing here, click on this guy, and click, hold, and drag to the right to lower it down a little bit, okay? And that takes care of that portion. All the pictures are ready. So now what I need is copyright-free music. So I need to go to YouTube and download the music that I want. And we're going to cover that in part 2. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. This will be where we end for part 1 because I'm just about out of time. And part 2 will be used to complete this. All right, so make sure you're aware that there are 2 parts to this training video because we're out of time. All right.